SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn off back tap on iPhone. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. The back tap feature on the iPhone is an interesting way to perform some actions on the device, but you may find that it's not working as well as you would like, or that you're accidentally performing those actions when you didn't intend to. If so, then you can disable the back tap setting on the iPhone by opening the Settings app, scrolling down and choosing the Accessibility option. You can then select Touch in the Physical and Motor section of the menu. Then you can scroll all the way down and choose Back Tap here. Now you just need to select either the double tap or triple tap option, depending on whichever one is set up. And then you can choose None at the top of the screen. Now when you go back to the back tap menu, you should see that the double tap and triple tap settings both say None, which means that nothing is going to happen when you double tap the button on the back of the iPhone.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.